There's just something that constantly happening and things that I'm trying to get over. And it could be pride.
To make yourself aware, realize this country, and that falls in and not to.
Treat the children like they're a sheriff's office almost. But to be your own police, that stays out.
I have a protector center.
And I can't. They can come out on top of the